Well, hopefully this is going to help stop some of the sand and dirt from coming into our house. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of this outdoor doormat. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Now, I just recently opened this, so you're going to see the little creases in it. Those will eventually fade away. You won't really see them. Like I said, I just opened it, and it does come folded, so I do want to note that. But check this out. So if you look here, it's not wire. I'm not actually sure what it is, but it's not wire, it's not metal. So it feels pretty soft, like when the dogs are stepping on it. I can tell this is not going to be a problem. This is for both pets and people. You can wipe your own shoes off on this, and it's going to trap all the dirt in here instead of bringing all of the sand and dirt inside of the house, which is what currently happens. So as you walk over this and you wipe your feet on it, wipe your shoes on it, all of that stuff will fall off into here, and then you can just pick it up, spray it off with a hose. You can also use a little bit of warm water, and you can hang it to dry if you want. What do you think, Kira? She doesn't seem to mind walking on it. But hopefully this is going to trap the dirt and the sand that this one and these ones bring into the house due to the sand and the mud pit in the back part of our yard. This is really nice. I got it the perfect size for just outside of our door. It does come in a couple of different sizes, but this I thought would be the perfect size for us. The dogs don't seem to mind walking on it. I am so excited. This is going to be awesome. I'm going to make it so we bring less dirt inside the house. If you're looking for a great doormat, we recommend this.